How you doing? I got a video today for an FX LRST or any softail really that has the Chigee AIO-5 Lite, I believe it is. I got the one with the camera system, and I also got the TPS sensors, TPMS sensors, I guess they're called. Anyway, I have already installed it, and I just wanted to show what it looks like installed. I don't actually have a video of it being installed because I was having such a hard time accessing the battery. I just wanted to show how I did the wire management and show where I placed it to be installed. And I do have it above the digital display. As you can see, I have the wires back there. I haven't yet figured out where I could put them to hide them, but this is what it looks like. I also have the sun visor to prevent any kind of reflection or not being able to see it. So right here I put the GPS monitor. I have that, of course, wired there, and I left a lot of slack because I don't know how much I would need to turn it, or just in case something happened where I needed more slack. I tried to fit it here, but I couldn't do it. There's just not enough space to put the camera there. There's nothing here, and underneath here, there's just not enough space to put it there. Also, I didn't know how much bumpy ride I would have, or what kind of bumpy ride I would have, to see if it would fit there. And like right here on the Lite and anything else, I didn't want to mess with the aerodynamics of the fairing. So I opted to just put it right here. And you can actually turn this left or right to center it or make it straight and level it with the road. So as we get back here, I have all this set up here. I have the wire management back here, as you can see. That's where I have my camera. As you see, I can't hide the wiring very well because there's not enough gap in between the fairing to do so. Anyway, going back here, actually right here is where I have, that's the rear camera, and this is the power. Right here, I have that routed underneath, and it's going through this. You don't even need to take your tank off at all. Some people say take your tank. I just took this off. Super easy. Let me pull my seat off here, and I can show you exactly what I've done. So I have it coming through here. So you just take this cover off, and there's nothing here. There's like a little what do you call, bracket there that you can run the wires through. So I ran them through here, and I tried to have everything run to look okay, and so that it wouldn't mess with the shock in the back. I didn't want anything to get in there and get crimped or messed up and then have to redo it. This is a little mess. Trying to find the yellow power wire to connect to something. So the blue wires, if you don't know, apparently according to Doc Harley, blue wires are the running lights. So I needed something that would turn off the power to make sure the unit turns off. And I'm using these Wago connectors because I just couldn't get in there. I was just having a difficult time. I think I might end up asking someone at Harley to fix this, so everything will look nice and neat and tidy. But I ended up getting 14 gauge wire, which is a little bigger than this wire and the wires that are inside the brake light harness. Anyway, that's how I have this all set up. And it actually runs very well. Don't forget, when you stick the camera on, to clean this very good. Otherwise, it's going to come right off. But that's pretty much it. I My main goal was to just hide the wires to make everything look stock. Unless you're going inside the fairing and looking, you're not really going to see all that big jumbled up mess of wires. But eventually I'll figure out how to get that fixed. And that's it. Lowrider ST install for a Chigee AIO-5 Lite system.